Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, we will present our material entitled Implicit Information from the Islamic Banking. Before introducing, my name is Faula Rifatna Imtiaz and my colleagues Fadila Nisa and Fabrian Atia. Let's go straight to the first material. Meaning of implied text. Implicit text is a text reading whose meaning can only be obtained after reading the entire contents of the text. This is because the meaning in the implied text is not written directly implicitly. Therefore, readers need more understanding through their own conclusion. So, to get the implied information of a text, it is necessary to have the ability to understand the reading correctly. Teks tersirat adalah sebuah bacaan teks yang maknanya hanya bisa didapat setelah membaca seluruh isi teks.
How to find the implied meaning of a text? 1. Determine the purpose of reading. 2. Read the reading text intensively to obtain information. 3. Interpret the contents of the reading text. 4. Take important notes. 5. Test yourself regarding the contents of the reading text, whether you're understanding it or not. 6. Take wisdom after understanding the contents of the reading text that is read. Cara menemukan makna tersirat dari suatu teks, yaitu yang pertama dengan menentukan tujuan membaca. Yang kedua, membaca teks bacaan secara intensif untuk memperoleh informasi. Ketiga, menafsirkan isi teks bacaan. 4. Membuat catatan penting. Kelima, menguji diri sendiri mengenai isi teks bacaan tersebut, sudah paham atau belum. Keenam, mengambil hikmah setelah memahami isi teks bacaan yang dibaca. Characteristic of implied text. Number 1, the meaning is not written directly or implicitly. 2. There is ambiguity. 3. Widely used in literary works, both old literary works and modern literary works. Karakteristik teks tersirat. Yang pertama, maknanya tidak tertulis secara langsung atau implisit. Yang kedua, terdapat ambiguitas. Yang ketiga, banyak digunakan pada karya sastra, baik karya sastra lama maupun karya sastra modern. Difference between implied and explicit meaning. Number 1, the main difference between explicit information and performance lies in how to find meaning or message in a text. Number 2, in explicit information, the meaning or message can be found directly in the text, whereas in style information, the meaning or message can only be found after reading the entire contents of the text. Perbedaan makna tersirat dan tersurat. Yang pertama, perbedaan utama antara informasi eksplisit dan kinerja terletak pada bagaimana menemukan makna atau pesan dalam sebuah teks tersebut. Yang kedua, dalam informasi eksplisit, makna atau pesan dapat ditemukan langsung dalam teks. Sedangkan pada informasi bintang, makna atau pesan hanya dapat ditemukan setelah membaca seluruh isi teks.
Example of implied text. A bank teller position has been opened with a minimum age of 18 years and a maximum of 25 years, meaning only those who are over 18 years old can register. Meanwhile, those who are over the age of 25 cannot register. Artinya, contoh dari teks tersurat telah dibuka posisi teller dan usia minimal 18 tahun dan maksimal 25 tahun. Maknanya hanyalah mereka yang memiliki usia di atas 18 tahun yang bisa mendaftarkan diri, sedangkan mereka yang usianya di atas 25 tahun tidak bisa mendaftar. Time to quiz. Number 1, lamb is gaining popularity as a type of tropical fruit that has high economic value. The market for lamb has penetration. International trade includes settling lamb. Several farms in various regions have started to cultivate lamb is a wider and more intensive business. For those who are interested is the lamb farmers Barcinis who do not have large enough land. They can consider planting in a pot. The implied meaning of the paragraph above is A. Lamb is very useful to get rid of the first smell. B. Lamb is a green fruit that is small around like a ball but has a properties that are not as smaller as its shape. C. Lamb is usually used for mixing and efficacious curries. D. The lamb market is only in domestic trade but has penetrated to restaurant. Number 2, in addition to dieting, processing the body is a way that can be taken to deal with the problem of obesity. However, this basically does not only apply to children who are overweight, but to every child. However, some children feel lazy to do physical activity, especially if the skin has hypnotized them. The implicit meaning of the above paragraph is A. Average should not be too hypnotized by television. B. Exercising the body is necessary for our children, not only for children who are problem with obesity. C. The screen is too hypnotizing for children and makes children lazy to go on a diet. D. Diet is one way to reduce obesity. Finally, the presentation is over. We ask for apologies if there are mistakes. Please ask in discuss forum. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.